I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you.
Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate a quick and easy way of drawing animal fur. If you look here, really light fur here, and it's really hard to get the single hairs to show. Now what I've done as a kind of background to where the white hairs will be, shade it quite a light tone and use a kneadable rubber. Some people might call it putty, depends on where you're from I suppose. You just pinch it into a point, like so, and just drag it across. Every second. And if I just show you how it's working, you can already see a few lines there. See how that's working?